Hello everyone, my name is Mikiyas Yared and I'm currently a senior at the University of Washington Foster School of Business. For my project, I created an interactive WebXR simulation of a small downtown four-way stop. Today, I'll walk through what inspired it, how I built it, and what I learned through the process. So starting off with the inspiration behind this project, I've always been interested in how neighborhoods are designed and how everyday spaces like roads and sidewalks shape how people move. Growing up around busy intersections in Seattle, I noticed how something as simple as a stop sign or curb placement can affect safety. This curiosity made me want to create a digital version of a city block and experiment with how four-way stops actually function. Another reason why I picked this topic is because I also was a victim of a small accident that happened at a four-way stop. It made me realize how confusing these intersections could be. Even though they look simple, they could lead to confusion and cause accidents. Building this project gave me a chance to understand how cars should behave and how timing, spacing, and visibility impact driver decisions. So, the overall goal behind this project was to design a working model of a realistic four-way stop. I wanted cars to approach the intersection, slow down, queue up correctly, and take turns crossing. At the same time, I wanted the environment to feel like it was a part of a downtown area, with roads, sidewalks, and basic buildings, and stop signs that look and function the way that we expect them to. Moving on to the tools and framework, I built this entire project utilizing platforms like A-Frame, WebXR, HTML, JavaScript, and VS Code. Everything in the scenes, the roads, the buildings, stop signs, lighting, and even the clouds was created through these platforms. So to build the virtual setting, I started by laying out the ground plane in two perpendicular roads to form a four-way stop. Then I added sidewalks and placed simple building structures around the block to give the scene some depth. I also coded custom stop signs using cylinders and text. To make this scene feel more alive, I included drifting clouds and a sunset to enhance the lighting. I designed this project so the user would be able to explore it from a first-person view. The user would be able to walk around using WSD, look around with the mouse, and zoom in and out using the scroll wheel. The simulation also supports VR mode, so if the user wants to fully immerse themselves in the scene, they could put on a headset and experience the intersection as if they are standing in the middle of the street. Building this VR environment did pose multiple challenges, the biggest being getting the cars to behave realistically. I had to code a system where cars slow down, stop at the right place, wait in order, and move when it's their turn. Balancing everything so movement looked natural took careful testing. Another challenge was creating the city environment that looked clean and consistent while keeping the code simple so the website does not slow down or glitch. In the future, I'd like to add features like pedestrians, more buildings, or different types of intersections. I'd also like to explore adding more detailed environments, more car behavior like turning lanes or time lights. There is a lot of potential for using WebXR to visualize traffic and street design in an interactive way. Overall, this project helped me bring together creativity, coding, and a real-world problem solving. It taught me how traffic systems work, how environments affect behavior, and how WebXR can be used to model real situations. Thank you for watching my presentation.